Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX, the one and only Mr. Too Good. We're back again with another one. So, guys, before we start, please, guys, subscribe, support the boy, man. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, tell your friends to come and subscribe, man, so that we can grow, man. Right. So today we're checking GBP USD. Pound. We're checking pound, guys. So let's just go straight into it and not waste time. So firstly, let's just identify you know, the major zones, which is this one, also this one here. You can clearly see the market is just giving us something very, very nice, right? Uh, so currently we have this impulse to the downside, right? And then we have this channel. Let's just like this is not a channel, but when I put the trend line, then it turns to what? A channel, guys. Yes, it turns. Then now let's just copy it and let's just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Right. What's happening? Which one is this one? Okay, copy and paste this one like this. Then if we so we have something like this, right? Make sure you need to sorry about this, guys. You need to know all these things, right? Especially when you're placing trend lines, you don't just place trend lines. Do you understand? You don't just place trend lines. So in this area, I look because I took the trend line and then I put it here, right? Because this is the not the higher, but that's where it aligns with this one, right? And then you can clearly see here the trend line has nothing or somewhere to be stuck on, if I can put it that way. So I'm gonna adjust it and put it here. We're supposed, yeah, something like this. Then I'll adjust it like that's how you place uh trend lines. So now it makes sense, right? So we have the first touch, second touch, and then we're gonna wait for what? For a third touch in this area, and then we complete the 90% rule, which is this one. So basically, the USD per actually the ones that end with USD, they seem like this week, or let me say soon, they're gonna be a downtrend market. Do you understand? So you can clearly see this structure or this area, it created this huge impulse to the downside. So we expect the same movement that it did on the left-hand side to do it on the right-hand side. I don't know if I said it that right, guys, but you get the idea. Don't mind my English, guys. Don't mind my English. I'm a Forex trader, not a teacher. Right. So, yeah. So we're waiting for the third touch, and this third touch aligned with what? With this strong zone here. Why was I saying it's a strong zone? Because it created this huge impulse to the downside. And the market was able to reject. Look, the buy. The market was going up like this, and then this area was able to reject the market going down. So, meaning when the market comes back to this area, it's going to be able again to reject it. So, that's what we're expecting. That's why we're analyzing. That's what it's called. We're analyzing the market to analyze, is to check the possibilities. It's a plan. We are planning here. We are planning a trade, right? It's not like everything is gonna go well. Sometimes things they don't go the way we plan. Do you understand? But it counts that we are planning. So here we are planning. So now, because we're waiting for the third touch, now we know that okay, on Monday we're just gonna wait for what? We're just gonna buy the market until it gets to that point. Already this picture gave you okay, already this thing gave you a picture of like, no, we're still gonna buy the market. That is all what Forex is about, or that what the strategy is all about. Just give an idea where is the market gonna go next. So now because I know no, the market is supposed to make a dead touch on this area, so I'm just gonna go for it. Do you understand? So let's go a little deeper. Let's go a little deeper. Let's go a little deeper. You can clearly see here. Let me put it like this. You can clearly see we have what? A pattern inside a pattern, which is something that happens, right? We're not gonna ignore this. Let's do the same thing also. Let's copy and paste. We're not gonna, oh, sorry. We're not gonna ignore this one here. So let's also adjust it very, very well. Still on a daily time frame. Let's just put it in this manner. All right. So in this area, as you can see, we have the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. Let's put it there. We have what? We have the first touch, second touch, and then we're waiting for a third touch, meaning we can just reverse from here to here, break, retest until here. You understand? So meaning now because we have an inside what? We have an inside reversal pattern, meaning there's a possibility that we might not make this third touch of the huge. Do you understand? Of the huge what? Of this huge what is this thing word? Channel. Since we have this smaller inside channel here, and now because we are close to this third touch, meaning we can reject from here going downside. So let's go a little bit deeper. Let's go a little deeper. Let's go to H4 and see what's happening there. No, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. You're going to understand it. You're going to understand it. So let's just adjust it a little bit here. And then, yeah, we have something like this. Because now we have this channel. First touch, second touch, and it's waiting for the third touch. Remember, initially we said the market is going to push up to this area because there is a strong area, and then we push down, right? But we're not going to ignore this inside. That's why a lot of people, they be like, I'm waiting for a third touch, but the market rejected before the third touch. It's because you're not going deeper. You're not going deeper. Whenever you want to trade what you think, or what you push you force the market. You don't supposed to force the market. You understand? Let me say, no, we're waiting for it to touch Vele. No, you just trade what you see. You understand? We are being reactive. So now me here, let's be reactive, guys. We're not gonna ignore, you know what, this channel going up because we have the first touch, second touch, and we're waiting for the third touch. And you know the basic thing, after a third touch, we need to push down. Do you understand? So now this is where stop losses come from. So because initially we said we are waiting for this market to push up to this area. So if the market comes to this area, we're not gonna ignore it. So you're gonna sell it. So let me give you a tip, but you're not gonna risk. Don't go full margin. Full margin. Yeah, don't go full margin. You understand? Just a smaller nyana, maybe one position, and just wait for the market to give you a continuation pattern, and then you go all in. Do you understand? Because what the market can do here can just come and reject a little bit, and then you enter full margin, and then it pushes up like this and make that touch, then come back again to this area, retest, and then go down, something like this. I know this thing because something linked to facile in my trading career. Do you understand? I was asking myself those questions like, no, man, I'm waiting for a dead touch. So why is the market rejecting before the dead touch? Do you understand? But there are things before that dead touch that you need to what to recognize. There are double tops, double bottom. Do you understand? There are things that are happening. So you need to be very, very much conscious if that's the right way to use the right way to use. Guys, I need to go back to school and master this English thing. It's gonna kill me in the end of the day. I'm joking. Hey, we're making money here. English is just a language, guys. So let's check. So we also have, like I always tell you guys, or maybe I didn't tell you, but I always tell you, you see these kind of areas where you find candlestick like this, like you find a bullish candlestick on a bearish movement, a bullish candlestick, on a bullish movement and then a bullish candlestick on a bullish movement. You should be very, very careful. These areas are very, very strong. We call them order blocks. So we're just going to identify it. Let's just put it here like this. Meaning inside this area, whether here or here, there's high volume. And you can clearly see the market, just by doing this, created this movement to the downside. So let's check if what's happening here. Very good. So because that order block that we saw here, there, aligns with this dead touch, meaning, guys, you're just going to sell the market. That's our confirmation. Definitely, we're going to sell the market because this area is aligned to what? To that order block. Right. And let's go deep and also confirm again. Let's go to 30 minutes. Let's go to 30 minutes. You can clearly see on 30 minutes, we also have what? A reversal. Is this one. Also confirms, because no, guys, we are going down. All right. So meaning around this area, when are you going to depend where you're going to take it? Around this area, yeah, the market has to reject. Because also here we're waiting 1, 2, a dead touch. Also on this trend line, we're waiting for what? A dead touch. And also remember, this area is an area of an order block. So there's going to be a rejection. So what I'm going to do with my student, we're just going to relax on Monday. Drink coffee until the market goes up here. And then after going up here, we're going to see what price is doing. Then we sell it. Can you see? We're going to make a lot of money with this one, guys. I'm telling you. So this is what we're going to do. Just going to take it from here. Right? First TP. Right? Second TP. And yeah, something like this. Then we're just going to put it on 30% above this one. So we're going to have something like this case. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is your boy, Mr. Dynamics of X, the one and the only. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Support the boy. If you want to know the strategy that I'm using, guys, and you want to join my mentorship, right? Lifetime mentorship, guys. I'm always there for you. Just go to the description when everything is there, and then text me on WhatsApp or inbox me anywhere, dog. And then let's do this. Let's make money, guys. You can see amathuba emisebenzi awekho, guys. This is what we have now, guys. The government doesn't care about us. So as young people, so this is what we have, guys, which is Forex trading. It doesn't need a degree. It doesn't need a qualification. It just need your identity, and then you make an account, then trade, guys. I mean, I don't need your degree. I just need your brain. And let's do this thing. So this is the future, guys. Please, guys. If it's not me, go to another mentor. But you need to learn Forex trading and take it very, very serious. We're gonna be successful, man. God bless you.